Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you A-okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, special welcome. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of the journey, manners and respect. Now today's video, we are going to be sharing how you deal with a nice little stewed fish head. Stewed fish head. So you want to get yourself, I've cleaned this fish head already, you know, and I take it that you all know if you clean up your fish head, make sure you get in at them part here, and you clean up and you scrub out, and you have to scale it. You see right here, it has some big thick scales, so when you lift them up, this is how it looks. So we have a beautiful boy, you see, a pear meat and all of them something and piece inside here, so we come off and it drop off, and all those nice things that happen with a fish head. See? So because it is stewed fish head, we are going to make the very first thing. We're going to make a stew. Because the way you see it there, you know, it's not old, it's big. But remember, I said fish, you can't just put it in there and do it so. Inside here, so now, you know, when that's steam, you'll see though, it's just all meat, glue, glamour. If you know nothing about fish head, tell me. If you have ever eaten fish head, if you are somebody who love fish head, tell me. Tell me in the comment section. And a little tip for you, if you're a pregnant woman and you can't eat fish, you need to eat some of this. When delivery time, you're good to go. Hello, please, how do you do? Right on over here, I have some butter that have been melted. We are going to make some stew. We're going to deal with the stew. So, right here, I have some sliced up garlic. I may have some bell pepper. I don't want them too thin. So I'm going to put in them first. I'm going to get them all sauteed off. Sauteed. So you realize I have a reasonable amount of tomato. That tomato is to give this stew some body. So what we'll be doing, we'll be making the stew, and then we are going to put the fish head down in there. And you're going to see we'll proceed from there. So we will flame up to the ice. We have a little bell peppers. You could have some red too, yes, and you could have orange and whatever. So with the garlic and all of that inside it, so into the butter. So you know you have your thing going on like that. You want to get it all put together. Now where is my okay. So in there now we're gonna be grating some fresh ginger. Not too much, you know, but reasonable amount to make the stew get it like a taste. So I think that's good. Okay, so you want to do this till you start to smell this, or you start smelling the aroma and of the garlic and the ginger coming out. That is how you want to do it. So you see it? Look at me there now. Now you're gonna put in your tomatoes. Make sure so they're ripe, and make sure so them have one good. You see what I say? Ice that you have, and you're gonna leave it in there whilst you stir it around a couple times. Stir it around, because look here, we got a lot more things to do to the stew. So when we return, we'll be proceeding on the journey of the stew fish head. Must soon come back. Okay, we are back, and look at what is happening. Those little white things, it's our garlic. You see we bell pepper them in there, and you notice our tomatoes are breaking down. Alright, I have this here, this brown pepper, and if you know anything about it, you know what it is. I'm not going to put no more about half in of it. You understand? I have here some fresh thyme, also some scallions. Didn't have a lot of the green part, because the scallions, them just, you know, them just stay green for long because of weather, even though they're in the refrigerator. So you're still on the high, and all them nice things are happening. You want to have some hot water. This dude here is really big. So you're going to put some, if I say stew, you're going to stew down the boy, you know. so we can hold it a little bit. Okay, these are our herbs. I hope you're in on it, you know. Okay, right over here now, I've got some Worcestershire or Worcestershire, whatever. I'm going to put in, if you notice I haven't put in any salt as yet. So I'm going to put in some, because you got to take precaution of the color. You don't want it too dark, and you don't want it too light. Yeah, I could go on this stuff now. I've got here some oyster sauce. Use what you want to use. If you want to use whatever you want to use, fish and meat, use it. Okay, do your thing. You want to make sure you dissolve this oyster sauce properly as you go along. You notice where I get a little color. All them things here got steam down and stew down, you know. That's what I say. I want to dissolve the ice properly. Now, I'm going to be putting in a little mushroom flavored soy sauce. Not a lot, you know. Not a lot of this thing. We're looking for a nice little color. So, I could stop it there so for now. See? So, you come back and you look, because you must know your desired color that you're looking for. Now, I'm going to be putting in some black pepper. Fresh. The craft are, this would be better. I think this gives better flavor. Put in a reasonable amount. I will soon come back. We have here some fish tea soup mix. So I'm going to be using a little of the seasoning. Okay? So, and you don't see the brand. I'm not doing a promotion. I want to know if they can't find way and give it. You know? But that's what I'm using. So I'm just sharing it with you. Look at me here. You see it? Okay. I think, I don't know, let us look at our color and then we're going to be tasting this thing. This is so nice. Wow. This is so cool. Alright. We're going to leave it to continue boil whilst we stir. We want to stir, or if you have one of those handheld blenders, you could use it to, you know, but to me all timer, me I go and stir, and when me stir to a certain mention and me get it when I want it, me I go return. See? Okay, we are back. And you see it? Okay. So we have a nice little color. Look at me here now. Also now, we want to taste for the flavor. We want to make sure we have enough salt, you know, to taste. And you want to make sure too, your flavors are blended. And also, this is fish, so you want it. If you like spice, which I do, you have a little spice in it. Eh? What I want you to look at is that this is coming to a little thickness. Okay, so at this point, we're going to bring our flame down to about medium. So your hands must be clean for your fish head, for your pot. So you're going to come now. If you want, you could remove the hides and drop a little piece of carrot or some vegetable in there, you know? Okay, gently, for God's sake, family. Gently. Well, let me wash my hands. Remember, you put it down to medium, so you're going to let it stay on medium. So you want to start spoon this thing, you know, because you're going to let it stay for about 15 minutes on this medium. But you're going to spoon it. Spoon some inside there. This is a beautiful boy. This is how you deal with this big fish head. This is all just niceness. So you want to just load it on the inside. Load it up. Make it start take its color. Just load it up. Right around. Right around. Right around. This is a meal by itself, family. You don't want nothing more than this. So look at me here now. You start to loading it up like this. You start, you know, you're basting it, you know. You're making take little like I go and take little I go on. Look at me here. Look at me here. It's halfway in the stew, in the liquid. So you make sure so you get some on the inside. Because look at me here. We'll bring up the stove a little bit more, not too high. And then we're going to put our cover on. And we are going to leave this here for about 7 minutes. Because we're going to come back, come flip on the other side. Test and see how long we have to cook this boy for. So we soon come back. Is amazing? So we are back, family, and we just turned it. We didn't get to show you. It was a bit like awkward turning it. Okay? So you see how that is happening right here? So I did forget some pimento seeds. So you can do that in yours. You know, I did forget that pimento seeds. I could have put it in off camera, but I just chose to show you. See what I'm saying? So you're gonna make it stay on the next side again until about another 7 minutes on the low. Look at me here. There you see your stew and all of them niceness there. So you want to just take your time, turn it around and make it just stay down in the nice juice there, mellow. Make sure you baste this side too. See all of the niceness from your tomato and all of them something there come up. So we are going to leave it this again. So when you see me next, we are going to plate up the stinger. Look at me right over here. I'm preparing a garnish, which is just like some okras and some carrot. So I soon come back. You will want to put the carrot and the okras in there to get that darkish color. So you do them by themselves. When you see me next, you see how easy this brother is supposed to plate up, ready for eat. I soon come. Okay, now family, our fish is out. And as I told you, try to catch your color correct. This is the perfect color you want your stew fish head for look. No darker, no whiter. We have removed it from that stew that we did it in because it's already cooked. It not take no long time. Not because you see it big, so it's fish. Huh? Okay. Now that we have removed it, we are bringing down this stew. We are reducing it. We want to get it like seriously like a nice thick sauce. So therefore, if it is that you want to have it with some white rice, some boiled mashed bananas, some mashed potato, whatever it is that you want to have. But after you eat out all them little meat there over something, you don't want to hold it, you can also spoon the sauce over it. And you see, we have a little garnish ready right here. So I'm going to reduce this little more, because I'm going to want to, pour some over it to keep it moist and make it all juicy and jelly. And you start to pick out all them little cheekbone and all them little nice part there. So look here, when we come back, this is supposed to be reduced down some more. And we have to spoon some over it, put our garnish, and we'll present it. Big fish head stew. Tell me what you know about that. Okay, now family. So we reduce with fish stew. Wow, look at me here. Now let's turn our flame off. Look at me here. Put the camera upon me, camera girl. That is all just juice and meat and tonic from the fish. Yeah. So you reduce it and it come down to this. So look at me over here now. Look at me over here. We have plated it up for you. We put a little garnish around it. So we have to take up some of that little reduced stew here. Look at me here. Look at me now. Look at me. Wow. Isn't this a beauty, you all? So now, some people would say, so Debbie, me steam my carrot and my okra with my fish head and something. Now you realize if you have steamed it with it, you won't see the beauty of it. So you just want to take your time. Nobody with it, You come so far, nobody start agnature it up and go on up with it. You just take your time and you just go spoon on some of this nice, little thick reduced tonic here. Make sure say some go in on the inside and all of them something there. Yeah. So you care. We will continue spooning on all them little niceness here. And when we return, it will be all yours. Well presented to you from the Jamaican cooking journey. May soon come back. I'm back. And I guess if you eat fish head like me, you must be hungry. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach. It is big fish head stew from the Jamaican cooking journey. Please do enjoy. Now, if you have liked this video, remember to make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure say you're subscribed to the Jamaican cooking journey. When you are subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell. When you go to the videos, make sure you watch the videos to about 75% to 80%. Therefore, you will be clarified or classified as a person who watch a video. If you just thumbs up the video and you just leave it and now watch, then you won't be getting notification. Make sure you watch it to a reasonable part and all of them something. So you want to be notified next time. Remember to make sure, say again, you're subscribed. Hit the notification bell, watch the video, leave your comments below. That is how you will become a member of the post notification crew. Post notification shout out to no say always there's something on the screen. Okay? Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. I want to hear from Uno about the big fish head stew here in the comment section. Are you a lover of steamed stewed fish and not steam? Because the steam one would be clear, like white, it wouldn't have this color. Okay, thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for clicking on my videos. Thank you for leaving comments below. Thank you for reaching out to me on YouTube. Thank you for reaching out, those of you who reach out beyond YouTube. Okay, thank you so much. Remember our PayPal donation button. Those for you who would like to make a donation, the PayPal button is there. We have got our Cash App, and also that's our way right now, Cash App and PayPal for donating. Or if you want to use Western Union, you know you have to find me, because you know they be down here and I'm right and I'm very paper name that, you know. So thank you so much once more for your love. Thank you so much for your support. Make sure you stay upon that journey, I know, because that's some of you think it at it, it a go turn up. Debbie from down a yard, bless, no stress.